Today, I'll be showing you how to make this spooky Halloween cat figure. The first thing you'll need is a wood medallion. I've already went ahead and painted mine with a matte finish black spray paint. A Halloween Bottlebrush tree will be the main part of the Halloween figure. This one I purchased at Dollar Tree. Make sure to shop through the trees and pick one that isn't squished. To start, I'm going to cut the wood base of the tree off, flush with the bottom of the tree. Then, using a lot of hot glue, I'm going to apply the glue to the bottom of the tree. And place the tree onto the center of the wood medallion. Now, make sure to hold the tree in place until the glue has hardened, or it will fall over. This may take a few minutes. To further secure the tree, you can apply more hot glue inside the tree toward the base if you like. Next, I'll be using black pipe cleaners to create the arms of the figure. First, fold it in half. This will double up the pipe cleaners to make a thicker arm shape. Then, bend where the elbow would be. And bend a little where the wrist would be. And one more time where the shoulder would be. Then I'm just going to twist here where the arm will be attached to the tree and prune away the excess with the wire cutters. This arm will be on the right side of the figure and later will hold a pumpkin bucket. So this is the shape. For the other arm, we're going to fold the pipe cleaner in half just like the other side, but this arm will have an upward waving pose. So again, making the wrist bend. And the elbow. Twisting and then removing the excess again. So this is kind of how they will be on the figure. Next, print and cut out the vintage-style cat face with pumpkin bucket template. I'll have a link to the printable template in the description below. Resize the imagery if necessary. Then shop around the tree for the perfect placement for the face. I feel like having the arms placed in the tree makes it easier to determine where the face should go to keep the figure proportionate. So then apply some glue to the back of the cat image and place the image onto the Bottlebrush tree. Then I'm going to apply hot glue to the twisted end of the arm and poke the arm into the side of the tree. I'll be doing the same thing for the other side. Make sure not to get the arms too close to the face and leave a little room for a ruffled collar we'll be adding later. So next, I'm going to prune off the top of the tree flush with the top of the cat head. This will make a nice place for the party hat we'll be making in a future step. The collar is a little tedious to make, but so worth it. The collar will be made out of black party streamer. Using wire, I'm going to stitch a line down the center of the black streamer, collecting the streamer as I go to create a ruffle look. The end of the wire is sharp enough to poke through the streamer, so no needle is necessary. So next, cut away the excess paper streamer. And prune the wire from the spool. And then I'm going to fold this in half next to the center wire like so, only creasing where the wire is, but leaving the ruffle. Next, I'm going to wrap the paper ruffle wire around the figure, adjusting the ruffles. Then, I'm twisting the wire to secure it in place, trimming the excess away. And adjusting the ruffles around the cat. I want them to look even, so I'm just sliding the paper around the wire to fill in where needed. Here he is so far. So here is the pumpkin bucket, all printed and cut out. Again, the templates for this project can be found linked below in the video description. Using sparkly black pipe cleaner, I'm going to create a small U shape for the bucket handle. Then I'm going to place the pumpkin face down on the paper and apply some hot glue to adhere the handle to. Then, with a little dot of hot glue, I'm going to adhere the handle of the bucket to the cat's hand. So for the next step, I'm going to cut out a piece of muted orange felt for a party hat. Rolling the felt into a party hat shape, I'm going to add some hot glue. And then finish rolling it to create the base hat shape. I'm pruning the very top of the hat away to allow room to glue on a bead later. More hot glue will secure the hat to the top of the tree above the cat face. To decorate the hat, I'll be using some black tinsel threading, but you could use whatever you like. The fun part about these figures is, with just a few changes like different felt colors, pipe cleaner colors, tree colors, you can create a whole different Halloween figure style. I'm going around the hat twice with this. Next, I'm adding a small black bead to the top of the hat. And I'm going to add some orange beads down the front of the tree as buttons. To add a little more eerie to the look, I'm going to adhere one of these glitter spiders to the side. And to add just a little more sparkle, I'm going to add some more of that black tinsel threading under the ruffles. So after I clean up the craft supplies, I'll show you the finished look.